Hey, my dear friends, this is yet another happy day. A day full of love, light, and happiness, prosperity, wisdom, and peace. Can you see the garden after the big rain, heavy rain? See, they've pulled out everything and they kept everything outside. Everything is like this after a heavy rain. But we are happy that we had a good rain. There's a few plants we have got. This is the sky, cloudy sky. It's not sunny today. Happy day, my dear friends. A day full of love, light, and happiness, prosperity, wisdom, and peace. Happy day, my dear friends. Happy day.